Okay, so the plan for this video is all these rocks, we need to get them over there, and the way I'm going to do that is with the dolly, and that dolly needs a path to be on. So today I'm going to be constructing a path that goes from there along here, and more importantly up here, and it's going to have to, you know, squeeze as tightly as I can into here. So a path all along here, so we can deliver to the rocks to down here once we're all done excavating it. So that's what I'm going to work on today. So yep. Alright guys, so we got some pretty good work done here. The only thing is, around here, I don't know how well you can see it on video, but this is extremely muddy. There's just water coming right through here. It was so bad I had to, let's see if I don't slide, I had to put this pipe in. So that's all, you know, groundwater, and it's flooding in here. And over here, mud is terrible. Right here you can see this. If I like jump on this, like the whole like path just like shakes, and there's water everywhere. If I go over here, you know, down in the mud. So yeah, it's not ideal, but hopefully I'm gonna give this some time to dry up, And then hopefully kind of it'll erode whatever it needs to erode, and it'll at least get rid of some of this. And then I'm gonna put some dirt on top and some like dry dirt, and hopefully we won't have to worry about it anymore. Might even try and get some gravel. This is good enough for now. You can also, if you look at these little pallet pieces, you can see this is going to be the rock face. It's not going to go directly down, it's going to be a bit diagonal, but not a lot. So this is all from down there into here. It's all going to be gone. So that kind of outlines where this is going to happen a bit better. So before I end this video, one last thing I want to do is just over there where the water wheel is going to go, I'm going to make that just a bit thicker. I did this part one, but I'm gonna do it again, finish it up, and then a rock wall is gonna go there, and I think I'm gonna actually be doing that pretty soon. So we're gonna get more, get to see the rocks, so that'll be pretty cool. So that might even be next episode. I'm planning on doing it pretty soon. So yeah, I'll cut to the time lapse. Alright guys, so that was a shorter time lapse than usual, and the reason for that was there's frozen mud. So it's only like 36 degrees out right now, and for like all the rest of the day it was like under 30 degrees. So everything's kind of frozen. It wasn't so bad up there because there's a lot of mud, and that's going to take longer to freeze. So I wasn't able to accomplish very much. However, I did fill in that area. That stump right there still needs, or that log still needs to go. So, but it's looking pretty good. I do have to level it out a little bit, make sure it's kind of straight. And then hopefully within like the next episode, I should be able to show that rock wall being built. So that's probably what I'll work on in the next episode. So I'll see you in that video. Bye-bye.